Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Okay, Inakshi, your pencil box is really very nice. Now you take out your pencil and your lovely eraser from your fantastic pencil box and get ready with your copy. So today, students, I know all of you were doing some revisional classes last week. Now today we are going to come back to our topic, that is double E sound words. And you know, after discussion of this topic, I am having one surprise announcement for all of you. So wait for that announcement, and if I forget, you just remind me regarding that announcement. Okay, so there is one special announcement for all of you. So if I forget, you remind me. Okay? Okay, come on. Let's start. So all of you, please put your attendance. Put your attendance. And today we are going to discuss double E sound words. Okay? Double E sound words. Still everyone has not put the attendance. Come on, come on. Yes, very nice. Still those who are joining later on, please put your attendance over here. Now, I'm going to give you some clues, or I'm going to draw some pictures on the board, and you will be the one to tell me the answer which is hidden in the clue, or the picture which I have drawn on the board. You will tell me the name of those images. Okay? So, are you ready? Are you ready to play again a new game with double E sound? And here I think I have solved the problem which I got from Nandini. Nandini, now it's fine? Okay. So let's start. So your first clue is, name the helpful animal which gives us honey. Name the helpful animal which gives us honey. And I got the first answer from Miss Nandini. Yes. So here comes next Ayushman, then after Orko, then after Shugatu, then after Inakshi, Shushobhan, Afrin. Very nice. Ayushman, what happened? Your spelling was quite correct. Why you have just changed the spelling? Okay. So, yes. So, each and everyone, Shatuki, Meghna, welcome to your online classes after a long time. Very nice. We are very glad to see you over here. So here comes both double E sound word, that is B. Now if I write B, then what happens? The phonic sound of B, ba, right? Now if I use E, B-E, B. And if I use 2E, that is double E, then what will happen? B, long sound of E, B, B, right? So, B, E, E, B, B, E, E, B. Okay, very good. Now, the next one. And the next one is, let us write the name of this picture. Who is going to tell me the name of this picture? And Nandini is the first one. Then after Inakshi is the second one. Parinita, very good. Ayushman, Shomri, excellent. All the champions, BMS champions have given the correct answer. It's the image of a tree. Very good. It's the image of a tree. I can see Afrin writing. Excellent, Afrin. So, T, R, A, right? So, tree. T, R, E, E. Tree. Double E sound. E. Tree. Okay. Next comes number 3. Now if I say that look at it, what will be the action word for that one? Look at it. What is the action word? Yes, the action word will be see. Very good. Excellent. Afrin, Inakshi, Purinita, Ayushman, everyone. Trishita, Shushobhan, Meghna, Brutin, and Shatoki, Shugoto. Everyone has given the correct answer. That is very nice. It's see. Look at it. See. What is this? See. The action word is see. S E E. S E S. See. S E S. See. Okay. Next comes again. If you visited one park and you have been told to buy tickets, so you have to pay for it, then what it is called? It is called entry fee. Entry fee. Very good. So here comes the word entry fee for a fee. Fee. Right? So here comes the word fee. F-E-E. Fee. Now, if you are being told that with a health drink, one pencil box is been given without payment. You will be given one pencil box with a health drink. Only buy the health drink and get the health drink as well as the pencil box. So the pencil box is free with the health drink. So the pencil box is free with the health drink. Excellent. Each and everyone has given the correct answer. That is, the word is F-R-E-E. Free. F-R-E-E. Free. Right? So the pencil box is free with your health drink. Now if I say that we are having now at present 28 in numbers. It is our body part. It is white in color and we clean them twice a day. Then what will be the answer? Yes, very good Nandini, very good Anakshi, very good Trishita, excellent. It's teeth. It's teeth. So number 6 comes T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. They are at present 28 in numbers in your mouth. When you will grow up, for adults, they are 32 in number. They are white in color. They look like pearl. Do you know what is pearl? Do you know what is pearl? What happened, Shomrik? What is pearl, you know? Pearl mane hocche puti, shada puti. White pearl, black pearl. Black pearl means black puti. And white pearl means shada puti. So, they look like pearl and we clean them twice a day, right? We clean them twice a day. And do you know one more secret of teeth? One more secret of teeth? Do you know? They look beautiful when you smile, right? They enhances your beauty when you smile. They helps you to chew your food properly for digestion. So many productivity of your teeth. So take care of your teeth properly. Okay, brush it properly twice a day, every day. Otherwise teeth will show you that you didn't take care of mine. So I'm going to give you lesson now. ঠিক আছে, দাঁতের যত্ন না করলে দাঁতও দেখাবে মজা। তাহলে কেউ কেউ কি মজা দেখতে চাও? দাঁত যখন মজা দেখাবে তখন কিন্তু খুব কষ্ট হবে। ওকে, সো কি করতে হবে? দাঁতের যত্ন করতে হবে। ওকে, দাঁতের যত্ন করলে দেখতে সুন্দর লাগবে, হাসলে সুন্দর লাগবে, আর ছোট্ট ছোট্ট পুঁতির মতন দাঁতগুলো কী হবে, গ্লো করবে, রাইট? একদম, ভেরি নাইস, কাম অন। সো নাও কামস দ্য নেক্সট ওয়ান, অ্যান্ড দ্য নেক্সট ওয়ান ইজ number 7. And number 7, this is an aquatic animal which gives you current when you touch it, which gives you current when you touch it. Can anyone tell me what is the name of that aquatic animal which gives us current when we touch it? ধরলেই কারেন্ট লাগে, জলে থাকে। তমজিৎ, ক্যান ইউ টেল মি? Come on, come on, think, 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 and I got the first answer. And who is this champion? And this champion is Shattoki. Excellent Shattoki, excellent Nandini, excellent Inakshi. These are the 3 first, and rest of the students are also giving the answer. Yes, it's electric eel. It's electric eel. Its name is electric eel. ওই ফিশটার নাম হচ্ছে ইলেকট্রিক ইল, ওকে, because it gives us shock like electric current. Okay, so we will take the word ill, ill. So here comes the word e, again e, that means e, l, ill, e, l, ill. Okay, so it's electric eel. Next comes the word, and that is, I'm going to give you one sentence and you are going to fill in the blank. Okay, you have to fill in the blank with the appropriate word with double E. I have a paper, I need to stick it. I have a paper, I dash to stick it with the Fevicol, with the Fevicol. So can you tell me which double E word once only I have spelled or pronounced? I have already pronounced that one. I have a paper, I dash Fevicol to stick it. I dash, Shattoki, will you rectify the spelling? I have paper, I dash to stick it with a Fevicol. Who is the one? Those who have listened me properly, they can identify the word. Yes, it's Shattoki, now you are correct, and Tomojit has given the word, Afreen has given the word, Nandini has given the word, Inakshi has given the word. Very good Shishaban, very good Brutin, very good Trishita, very good Shambrik Roy Chaudhuri, Meghna, Orgho, Mondol. Yes, it's the word need. I need to stick it with a Fevicol. I need. That means requirement. It's the requirement, need. N-E-E-D, need. N-E, knee. N-E-E, knee. Need, long sound of E. Okay, now if I say that there are 7 days in a dash, there are 7 days in a, very good Nandini, very good Afreen, very good Meghna, Trishita, very good Brutin, Ayushman, Orgho, Shomrik, very good Shugato, Shushobhan, Parinita, excellent. So there are 7 days in a week, W-E-E-K, that is W-E-E-K, week. Next comes number 10. And what is number 10? Number 10 is, this is a thing from where we get a new plant. This is a thing from where we get a new plant. So can you think about it? From where do we get a new plant? From where do we get a new plant? So let us see who is the first one to answer, and I got lots of answers and each and every student has given the correct answer, and the first one is Shattuki. Very good, Shattuki. Second one is Trisita and third one is Nandini. Then after Ayushman, Inakshi, Brotin, Meghna, Shushobhan, Orgho, Afrin, Shugoto, Parinita and Shumrik Roy Chaudhary. Excellent. So everyone has given the correct answer that seed helps us to get a new plant. Seed. S-E-E-D. Seed. Double E sound. S-E-E-D. Seed. Okay. So what we learned? We learned 10 words today with double E sound. So the first one is B-E-E. That means B-E-E. Bee. T-R-E-E. Tree. S-E-E. C. E sound is going long. F-E-E. Fee. F-R-E-E. Free. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Teeth. E-E-L. Eel. Eel. N-E-E-D. Need. Need. W-E-E-K. Week. Week. S-E-E-D. Seed. Seed. So when you are learning these words, just put some emphasis on the sounds. Okay, you have to give importance on the sounds. Not only learn the spellings, but also you should try to identify the sound so that you can match the alike sound with the alike words. Maybe you know seed, but you are getting some new word. So how to pronounce the phonics, you should understand that one also. If you know to sound words properly, then you can pronounce any of the new words very easily. Okay, so always try to identify the sounds properly. Okay, phonetics is something which helps you to learn in the basic part, because this is the thing which helps you to identify, to pronounce the words like encyclopedia. Okay, this is a huge word. The pronunciation is different, spelling is different, still we pronounce it in a different way. Okay, so these type of phonetics are very necessary, these type of sounds are very necessary, that students should understand it so that they can pronounce any type of word in future on their own. That is the great credit, on their own. Right, students? Right? Yes or no? You want to read each and every word on your own? Yes or no? Yes. Very good. So I can see many of my students are showing their answer copies, and very good. Please send me the screenshots. I will obviously check it, and I conclude my class over here. I will be back again with your science class, because it's the time of your maths class. Okay, so next class is waiting for all of us. So bye bye. Take care of yourself.